the capital letter?
Last year. Taking 50 questions.
Say D. Now, let's go there. So what should that be? Now let's get the question now. Now the question.
Now,
The message.
The question is what is the genetic ratio?
The question.
What is the genetic ratio?
Yes, I know the question.
so what? How what?
That's the question.
Yes.
What is the genetic?
Ratio of a cross between the
Yes.
Read the question complete now. Okay.